Hey, this is Ben, and I'm going to be opening up the Vivor hydraulic floor jack. This is the 3-ton. This sucker is really heavy, so... Alright, I think I got all the tape and the straps. So it looks like it is mostly put together, except for the handle here. Got the directions here. The next step after getting it out of the box is we need to take the two pieces of the handle, and we're going to attach them together just with this push pin here. All right, that's set. Now we have the handle end, and then we have the end that will be going into the jack. All right, so there's this a safety hook down here connected to the set screw. So before we can use this, I'm gonna loosen up the set screw. So there's the groove around the outside for the set screw. There's also a square ending, so this needs to be fit onto the square axle in the side. Give it a little wiggle to make sure you're getting into the groove, and it'll go in deep once it's set, and then we will tighten the set screw underneath. All right, so now that's in place. Handle is secure, it will not come out, and we're free to use it. Make sure it's turned to the right all the way so that the valve is closed. All right. Easy to jack up. Then to release, you just slowly turn to the left to release the valve, and the weight of the car will push the jack down. That's all there is to it. It does have rubber here, so it's made so that it will not damage whatever you're pushing up. I'm still going to use a piece of wood, however, just to be on the safe side. I'm going to locate my jack point, tighten it up. Really easy to lift. All right, and then just to release, I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Of course, I can just put it in the garage fully extended like this, but if you want to put it away in a tighter spot, just open up the set screw, release the spring-loaded pin, and then you can tuck this away wherever you'd like. It's great quality lift. Again, it is 3-ton, has great wheels, heavy duty, easy to roll around, dual pistons. So here's a close-up of the rubber saddle, so it won't damage the underside of your car. There's also a tray here, and that's detachable. I think it's a great jack. Hey, I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.